Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Speculation regarding the iPhone 17 series highlights several updates. New signs suggest that the annual iPhone event will indeed showcase new models, with potential dates corroborated by a very reliable tech industry insider. According to the latest available data, the new Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max release date has been confirmed amid design leaks and pricing insights. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple insiders await the next generation of the tech giant's acclaimed smartphone lineup, according to internal documents from German mobile phone providers. With previous hints from known Apple leaker, Mark Gurman, signs suggest that the annual iPhone event will indeed showcase new models, with potential dates corroborated by industry insiders. The forthcoming Apple event promises to launch 4 new devices, including the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air. This new Air model garners significant attention for its slim design, stepping in to replace the outgoing Plus model. Spurred by design leaks, industry observers note the iPhone 17 Air's resemblance to Google's Nexus 6P, with its horizontal camera bar, hinting at a novel design language for Apple's future. Speculation regarding the iPhone 17 series highlights several updates. Foremost, the anticipated Apple 17 Pro Max might feature upgrades that include an anti-reflective display for perfect visibility in bright conditions. Another remarkable feature is the reportedly larger battery capacity of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, promising impressive battery performance for Apple's flagship device. Enhanced camera functionalities, including a 48-megapixel telephoto lens and a 24-megapixel true-depth front selfie camera, are expected to position the Pro Max as a formidable contender in mobile photography. In addition, other hardware upgrades, like Apple 19 Pro chipset, 12GB of RAM, larger battery capacity, smaller dynamic island, shorter bezels, and much more. New pricing details indicate potential hikes across the iPhone 17 series, partially due to economic factors and tariffs. Reports from various analysts suggest that a $50 increase for several models, with starting prices for the iPhone 17 Pro possibly seeing adjustments based on storage configurations. With pre-orders expected to open on Friday, September 12, Apple's typical rollout strategy remains intact. Apple traditionally times the release date for its new models a week post-keynote, anticipated to be Friday, September 19th, this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.